Good morning, Milan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, Amila. Milan, I think your father has been informed about a meeting, right? Today in the P4? Has not been informed? Let
What,
me.
ma'am?
I think your father has been informed. Let me ask him.
Huh? Huh? What, ma'am?
Oh, nothing, Amila. It's nothing. It's for you.
Ma'am, can you postpone that meeting for the next day?
What happened?
What? Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Laisel. Good morning, Amila.
Ma'am, can you postpone that day tomorrow?
Why? What happened, Milan?
Why? I'm not sure, but my dad told. Is
Okay.
that fine?
You have to talk to the admin because I am not in charge. Just ask him to drop a mail to the person who contacted him. Okay? Give me 1 second, Laisel, okay? There's a meeting for Milan, so
I said good morning, ma'am.
good morning.
He will come later. Um,
To home?
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
1 sec. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ihan. Good morning, Laisel. Okay, everyone is here. Not everyone is here. Ayman is not there. Good morning. Okay. Who wants to present today? Amila,
Huh?
you can start. Yes.
Huh? Start what?
You did the thought of the day, right?
Huh? Huh?
Assembly, buddy. We have a work assigned work and activities for everyone in assembly,
Ma'am,
right?
can I present?
Yes, Amila, you can present.
What was I doing?
Yours was the thought of the day. You already did it, Haya.
Oh yeah. What about me?
You can do after Amila.
What?
You can do after Amila. Let her present first.
No, what am I doing? Yeah, I got to say something. Ma'am,
Yes,
what
Laser.
am I doing? What am I doing?
See, you are supposed to remember what you are doing.
Ma'am, what am I supposed to do? Tell me. Answer the monitor book, ma'am.
After that, Milan, first of all, the work you are supposed to do, you have to remember it. I cannot remind you when the work is actually supposed to be done or presented. At that time, if you are
Oh
asking
God.
what am I doing, means you didn't do the work, right? That means it's a black star for you.
Ma'am, I think Milan was the quiz.
Milan is a quiz, yes. I have written it down, but he's supposed to remember it. That is the main point here. And Ayman was
Yeah.
the news. Laisel, after
Ma'am,
Amila, you can read it,
ma'am,
okay? Let
I
her
did not,
present.
ma'am, I did not finish it. Do I have to say the one that I said? I did not
Everyone,
finish it,
please
ma'am.
let Amila present. You're not supposed to talk when someone is doing something, right? Yes, Amila, please carry.
Infection disease presented by Amila. Types of infection disease: malaria, COVID, chickenpox. What is malaria? Malaria is a serious illness that you can get from the bite of a specific kind of mosquito. What is COVID? A COVID is an infection disease. It is a serious disease. It can spread the whole world. What is, what is chickenpox? Chickenpox can be understood as a common itchy and what is this one?
Contagious. Contagious.
Contagious contagious illness that mostly affect children, causing a spotty blister like rash and rash all over the body. It is caused by a virus called the varicella zoster virus.
I've got these. I've got tomato pox or chicken pox. I don't know which one it is.
Any questions?
Good job. That was very nice.
Ma'am, can I ask you something? Can I be last to present?
No, this is the last one. No one else is there after that. Yes.
Ma'am, can I see the monitor book?
Laser.
The last one that I said to you or the new one?
Huh?
I said to you like the last two, the like. 1 minute, ma'am. I wrote. I wrote.
You wrote the
I
name.
was, last one I told to here. This is the new one to here.
Okay. What did they do?
The new one or the last one that I said to you?
You can read both.
Okay. Hi and Amelia in class.
Okay.
Amelia playing with the sticker.
Play with
Ma'am,
stickers.
yeah, ma'am said stop and Amelia keep playing with sticker.
No, ma'am, no. Oh,
I saw that.
yeah,
I saw it. And Amelia keep playing with sticker when I said so. And Haya and Amelia danced on class.
That is
Also.
okay.
No, and one more thing. There was something about Milan, but Milan, like he told us I'll play with you.
Yeah,
and stuff. Milan also played or something. Played. What did I play? No, you don't remember Milan's one, but you remember all of ours.
Laser, you have to be just when you're a leader, you have to be fair.
Some of them I don't remember. Those not many ones are lazy. Keeps Laser keeps on shouting answers. One of my questions.
That is very bad.
What was I playing with? I did not even play with anyone.
You are raising complaint, you have to listen to others also and follow the same.
ma'am, you need to give me
Do you want the golden star or do you want the black one to be removed?
the black one to remove.
Fish. And fish. Okay.
What did? Ma'am, wait, ma'am. Ma'am, can you earn me gold star?
Huh?
Ma'am, where's my three gold star? Ma'am, where's my three gold star?
Milan.
No, ma'am. In the English class, in Shiny Ma'am's class, she told I joined early twice.
Do you see the golden star you got in the middle? That is the one Shiny Ma'am gave.
Yeah, but I did it one more time.
No.
But Shiny Ma'am didn't give you that one, so it's okay. No, she told. But she has to give you it. She can't just tell it.
Yeah, she has to give it. If she informs me, I'll give. Right now, you again forgot the assembly, so this is your second black star.
What?
I think.
Why does Milan keep on getting the most? How come I forgot assembly? You did.
Today you're supposed to present. Did you present? Like this last time also you didn't present. Last time
Yeah.
also you said, ma'am, I have very
Tomorrow can I present some like animals, what animal chew, what animals eat?
Now try to get golden stars from your teacher. Behave nicely, do the works. Ask them if you complete the work on time or if you get the highest mark, will you give us golden star? If they ask me to give you,
Ma'am,
you can ask Amina ma'am, you can ask Shiny ma'am.
So they will.
If they give, yeah, definitely that will be added here. Can you see Milan got one golden star? That is
Okay, Amina ma'am, can you give me?
can you give us a golden star?
No. For only if we're like good with the class.
Golden star. It's not like you can just ask. You have to listen to her. You have to raise hand. You have to do
Not
the
like
work. If she says she wants to give the golden star, then I will add. But if she says you have been very naughty, then you will get the the black star. Ma'am, just tell me if they are naughty, okay? We will give them the black star. Because Shiny ma'am gave one to Milan because he did some work on time. So,
Not work. I joined very early before this 3 times.
so they just promised they will be very nice in math class and they will listen to you and you will give them stars. So if
Ma'am,
you
may
give them,
we
I will-
listen?
Yeah, let's
Ma'am.
see that.
Ma'am, I joined an early class in Chinese ma'am's class 3 times, but she told I will get a gold star. She did not.
Get the same star from Amina ma'am. She has plenty of stars. She has around 10 stars to give this particular week. She has not given even a single one yet.
This is going to be too easy to get those stars.
Let's see. Okay, bye. Get the star. Bye bye, people.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.